Now we continue our concept by the example problem number 8. Here you can see this problem, manufacturing problem. Previous problems we discussed that diet problems we discussed. So now here manufacturing, about one factory they'll give or manufacturing company they'll give. So this type of problems is called as manufacturing problems. So now you see example 8. Read the question carefully here. A manufacturing company makes two models, two types of items they are making here, that are A and B of product. Each piece of model A require 9 labor hours for fabrication. Here two processes there for making one product: fabricating and finishing. Fabricating is a one work, 9 labor hours it need for product A, and finishing is the another work. Finishing purpose 1 labor hour need here for product A. Next, product B. Each piece of product B require 12 labor hours for fabricating. Fabricating purpose 12 hours labor hours need, and 3 labor hours for finishing. For B purpose that they given. Next, for fabricating and finishing, the maximum labor hours. Maximum means at most. Maximum is nothing but at most. At most 180 hours and 30 hours. Fabricating purpose 180 hours is there. Finishing purpose 30 hours is there. That is the highest value. At most is there means less than or equal to how to take. Up to 180 you can take, other less than or equal to 180. If you are taking 181, 182, it is wrong. Highest value only 180. So less than or equal to how to take. Next, the company makes the profit RS 8,000 on each piece of model A. Model A they are getting profit 8,000 and model B getting 12,000. So how many pieces of model A and model B you have to sell? You realize the maximum profit. Profit should be maximum. When how many number of A products they have to sell and B product you have to sell. That only you have to find here. So now you see, first of all, this total theory concept you have to convert into table. So table, I'll write the table by reading this total. First one, types is there. Types is there. Number of units or pieces. Number of pieces they given here. Number of pieces I am writing. Next one, here two works is there. Fabricating and finishing. Finishing hours. Labor hours. Next, profit. Next one, profit. These are the things here we have observed totally. So draw the table properly. Next here, types. What types is there? Two types, A and B products is there. A and B. Next one, number of pieces. Number of pieces we will write last, that one. Fabricating for product A. Model A require 9 labor hours for fabricating. Here 9 labor hours need. And 1 labor hour for finishing. 1 labor hour for finishing. Next one, product B, 12 labor hours for fabricating. Fabricating 12 labor hours and 3 labor hours for finishing. Next, product A 8,000 rupees they'll get the profit. Product B 12,000 they'll get the profit for each piece. This is total what they given for one piece they given. So how many pieces they are asking? How many pieces they can made in 1 week with total labor hours? 180 labor hours, and fabricating is highest 180, finishing is 30. Highest at most is there, so that's why maximum. Maximum means here reverse you have to take always less than or equal to. Next here also less than or equal to. This is a total. Total you have to find. Before going to total, you have to take the A product X, B product Y. I am assuming X is a number of pieces model A. B product items is Y I am taking. So one purpose 9 hours need. X purpose X multiply here. Y purpose here Y you have to multiply. Profit for X items, profit for Y items. So here Z equal to, I am writing here downside, Z equal to total profit 8000 X plus 12,000 Y. So that is a total profit. Now what is asking maximum profit? Always every person will think profit should be maximum. So that's why I'll write here maximize Z. Maximize Z equal to 8000 X plus 12,000 Y. This function, this is called an objective function. You have to make the profit function. You have to make the maximize. Subject to constraints. Subject to constraints. You have to write R is vertically. 9x plus 12y is less than or equal to 180. 1 into x is x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. And non-negative constraints. X is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because pieces compulsory equals 0, otherwise more than 0. Negative pieces not available. So this one subject to constraints also completed. 2 constraints is there. You can do the graph here. So take graph as a homework and pause the video to note it down. We continue the next problem with exercise. Exercise 12.2, problem number 2. Same, this is also manufacturing problem only. Question read carefully. One kind of cake required. Here cake making is there. One kind of cake requires 200 grams of flour. 200 grams of flour and 25 grams of fat. 25 grams of fat, 200 grams of flour for one kind of cake making purpose. Another kind of cake making requires 100 grams of flour, 50 grams of fat. 50 grams of fat. Find the maximum number of cakes which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat, assuming that there is no shortage of other ingredients used in making cakes. So now just here grams they given, but question in kgs is there. This one is very important here. So now same to same draw the table here. Types, number of items are here. Cakes is there. Cakes I am writing. Number of cakes. And what is there? Flour and flour. Sorry. Flour and fat. Here rupees they didn't given and maximum profit also they didn't given. Just you have to find the number of cakes here maximum. So that purpose here I'll draw the table first. Type 1 and type 2. 2 types is there. 2 types of cakes is there. Here one type and second type I am taking here. Next number of cakes, last we'll write that one. Flour for first type of cakes 200 grams. Here in grams. Here also in grams. And fat how much need? 25 grams of fat. Next one, another kind of cake require 100 grams of flour, 50 grams of fat. So now I'll take the number of cakes x and y. The number of cakes x and y. And what are the restrictions for flour and fat? Flour 5 kg flour, that is only highest. Highest value 5 kg. made from 5 kg, last 5 kg, you don't take the 6 kg, less than you can make, less than you can take, but highest value, that means at most 5 kgs is there, so less than or equal to 5 kg, 5 kg is nothing but 5000 grams. Next, here less than or equal to, this is also highest value, 1 kg fat is there, so 1 kg means 1000 grams, 1 kg means 1000 grams. So now, what is the Z here? Here profit function not there, and nothing is there here. Maximum number of cakes is a function here. Z equal to X plus Y. X items is there, here X multiply, here Y multiply. So now, therefore, maximize Z equal to X plus Y. Number of cakes should be maximum, we have to make. And subject to constraints here, 200X plus 100Y is less than or equal to 5000, and 25X plus 50Y is less than or equal to 1000, and X is greater than or equal to 0, Y is greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because number of cakes not negative. And here simplification you can make here, 100 if you are taking common, 2X plus Y is less than or equal to 5000. Here this 2 cancel. So now constraint will become 2X plus Y is less than or equal to 5. First constraint. Simplification. If you making graph is easy. Graph you can make easily that time. So now here also 25 you take common. 25 if you are taking common, X plus 2Y is less than or equal to 1000. Here how much you will get? 25 4s are 100, 25 4s are 100, 40 you will get. X plus 2Y is less than or equal to 40. X plus 2Y is less than or equal to 40. This is the one constraint, this is another constraint. These are non-negative constraint. Graph do as a homework. Pause the video to note it down. Next, another manufacturing problem. Problem number 3 in exercise 12.2. A factory makes tennis rackets and cricket bats. Two types is there, tennis rackets and cricket bats. A tennis racket takes 1.5 hours of machine. Here two stages is there for making a racket or bat. That is machine time 1.5 hours, 3 hours of craftsman's time. Crafting purpose it will take 3 hours time. And while a cricket bat making takes 3 hours of machine time, 1 hour of craftsman time. In a day, a factory has availability of not more than means at most 42 hours machine time, 24 hours craftsman's time is there. So next you have to find the what number of rackets, how many number of rackets and bats if total capacity means 42 hours machine time and 24 hours craftsman is there. How many number of rackets and bats they can make. And next one, if the profit of racket is 20 rupees and bat is 10 rupees, find the maximum profit. So you have to find here maximum profit when how much you'll get maximum profit. The full capacity of work done, that means 42 hours of machine hours and 24 hours of craftsman available is there, means how much profit you will get in this one. So now you see here continuation, here total, draw the table first of all, types, number of units or number of bats or here number of, I'll write just next one, machine machine hours, craftsman's hours, and profit they give it. So now these total write as a table. Now types: rackets and bats, cricket bats. Just I am writing rackets and bats here. Next, machine hours for racket 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours, and 3 hours of craftsman, 3 hours of craftsman. Next one, bat making purpose 3 hours machine hours, craftsman is 1 hour, and the factory having capacity 42 hours of machine, 24 hours of craftsman, less than or equal to maximum, that is highest, not more than means that is only highest value. You can take lesser values also, no problem. Next one, profit also will take here 20 rupees on racket, 20 rupees on racket, 10 rupees on bat. So I'll take here rackets X, Y is a bats, So how much you will get here? X multiply. One racket purpose they given. I am taking here X racket. So multiply with X. Here Y, here also Y, here also Y multiply. So Z equal to total profit is 20X plus 10Y. 20X plus 10Y. You have to find the maximum profit here. Therefore, maximize Z equal to 20X plus 10Y. 20X plus 10Y. Subject to constraints. 1.5x plus 3y is less than or equal to 42. Next one, 3x plus 1 into y is y only. Y is less than or equal to 24. The number compulsory greater than or equal to 0, subject to constraints. So now LPP converted into linear programming problem. You can do the graph here. After getting the which is maximum profit, some number you will get. Here x and y values will get at the point. So x is the number of rockets, y is the number of bats. This question also including in this only. So no problem to that. Solve the graph as a homework and pause the video to note it down. Now fourth problem in the exercise 12.2. Same manufacturing problem only here. A manufacturer produce nuts and bolts. A manufacturer company makes nuts and bolts. It takes 1 hour of work on machine A and 3 hours of work on machine B to produce a package of nuts. To produce a package of nuts purpose, 1 hour machine A, 3 hours work on machine B. Here two types of machines is there. Next one, it takes 3 hours on machine A and 1 hour on machine B to produce a package of bolts. Bolts purpose 3 hours machine A, 1 hour machine B. He earn a profit. Profit also they given here 12.50, 12 rupees 50 paise per package on nuts and 7 per package of bolts. 7 per package of bolts. How many packages of each should be produced each day so as to maximize his profit? Maximize his profit. Where maximum profit you will get, x and y values you have to write. So, and here condition is there. Here there is no condition. Constraints purpose condition need. If he operate his machines for at most 12 hours. Machine A and machine B at most 12 hours. Highest 12 hours he can run. So based upon this one here, you have to draw the table first of all. Types. number of packages, and machine A, machine B, and profit also they given, profit. So now continue the problem here. Types. What types they given? What types they are producing here? Nuts and bolts. So first one nuts, second one bolts. Nuts and bolts. Machine A. Nuts purpose. Machine A. 1 hour's work on machine A and 3 hours work on machine B. 1 hour, 3 hours. And machine B purpose 3 hours on machine A and 1 hour on machine B. Here reverse is there, both reverse here. Next, that one total completed. Hence the profit. Profit for nuts package 17 rupees 50 paise and 7 rupees per bolts. Only one package purpose this total. One package purpose they are giving this matter. I'll take X package of nuts, Y package of bolts. So into X, into X, into X, into X, Y. Here Y number taking, so Y you have to multiply. Into Y, into Y. And the restrictions is 12 hours. You can run the 12 hours machine A and machine B. Total 2 machines, same to same here. Next, profit. Total profit we need. Total profit is 7.50x plus 7y. That is the total profit. Total profit should be maximum. Therefore, maximize Z equal to 17.50x plus 7y. So this is a objective function subject to constraints. Here, x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12. 3x plus y is less than or equal to 12. Packages compulsory greater than or equal to 0. Packages compulsory equal 0, maybe greater than 0, but negative it is not possible. So these are the linear programming problem. So objective function subject to constraints. Graph you take as a homework. In the graph, maximum value will get one particular point, x and y. X is nothing but nuts, packages, and bolts. Y is nothing but bolts. So that you have to write where maximum value will get. That maximum value point is important here. Here you have to write point values, x and y values. You have to mention clearly. So take as a homework that one. Pause the video to note it down. Next you see the problem number 5 in exercise 12.2. Same manufacturing problem again. A factory, 2 types of screws. A factory can make 2 types of screws, A and B. Each type of screw requires the use of 2 machines, an automatic and hand operated. 2 machines is there. That is, one is automatic machine and one is hand operated machines. Each screw compulsory needs the 2 machines. It takes the 4 minutes on automatic and 6 minutes on hand operated machine to manufacture a package of screws A. A purpose this one. And B purpose 6 minutes automatic machine and 3 minutes on hand operated machine for screws B. Each machine available at most 4 hours. At most 4 hours here. This one you observe all condition in minutes, but here 4 hours is there. This hours convert into minutes. Next, the manufacturer can sell the package of screws A at the profit 7 rupees, screws B at the profit 10 rupees. So what is the maximum profit? How much he can produce the screws A, screws B to gain a maximum profit? X and Y values is asking. Same previous problem only. And what is the maximum profit also is asking. Example I am telling here 10,000 profit at 2 comma 3 means what is the answer here? 10,000 is a maximum profit, and screws A is 2 packages and screws B is 3 packages. Like that you have to write final answer, you have to clearly mention that one. So now this total theory convert into table first. So what are there here? Types is there first of all. Types, number of packages, and automatic machine and hand operated machine, and finally profit. So now you have to take this total as a table. Types, screw A and screw B. Types of screws A and screws B. Next, first A, 4 minutes on automatic, 6 minutes on hand operated. Here 4 minutes, here 6 minutes. These are in minutes. Next one, B purpose, 6 minutes on automatic, 3 minutes on hand operated. And profit rates is type A is 7 rupees, type B is 10 rupees. Type A 7 rupees and type B screws is 10 rupees. So now I'll take the X packages and Y packages. Here it will become X. One package they given. So X packages purpose into X you have to make. Y packages purpose into Y you have to make here. Next one, this is a very important here. It is, you can see here, for at most is there less than or equal to 4 hours is there. This hours, but given total question in minutes. So into 60. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So into 60, that is 240 you will get. 240. Here also same 4 into 60, that is equal to 240 minutes. So total in minutes. And the maximum Z is asking, maximize the profit, total profit. 7x plus 10y. Therefore, maximize Z, that is total profit 7x plus 10y. 7x plus 10y. Subject to constraints, write down 4x plus 6y is less than or equal to 240. Next one, 6x plus 3y is less than or equal to 240. And packages compulsory greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal 0, y is greater than or equal 0. This is a linear programming problem. Objective function subject to constraints and non-negative constraints. So graph you can take as a homework, that one. And finally you have to conclude the X and Y values. The number of screw packages, number of screw packages of B to maximize the profit. So this graph take as a homework and pause the video to note it down.